I love a face oil. There's something about this dewy skin in a bottle. It's multi-award winning and there's a real place for it in your skincare routine, and you can just see it's absolutely beautiful, brimming with essential fatty acids. We've got rosehip in there, which is lovely to calm your skin down. It's anti-inflammatory. Kukui nut, which allows it to really glide onto the skin. And then the Amazonian buriti, which gives it that gorgeous, gorgeous color. And it is a most exquisite smell. So we've got the yarrow, the benzoin, the chamomile, and it really helps to calm you down at the end of a busy day. So in the winter, I would add this into my moisturiser as a final step, just to add that extra layer of protection. And then last thing at night, just as my sort of final moisture, and you'll wake up with a really beautiful glowy skin. So if you're someone that's kind of worried about pigmentation, a little bit of scarring, this will really help even out your skin tone, and it will calm your skin down if it's feeling a little bit sensitive.